Want to stop taking meeting notes by hand? Otter.ai turns any conversation into a clear summary instantly. Learn the exact steps to generate notes in seconds. In this guide, you'll see how to open your meeting, access the summary and outline, and use Otter's built-in chat to create custom meeting minutes. Open the Otter.ai homepage. Open the meeting conversation. Click Summary. The overview gives a concise meeting summary. Then check out the outline, which provides a structured breakdown of the topics discussed. Use Otter.ai chat on the right. If you want a specific format, open the chat and ask it to create the notes you need. For example, type, "Write structured meeting minutes for this meeting." Otter.ai chat generates minutes. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.